This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Recognize an infinite loop when your program never returns control or uses 100% CPU. Start by reproducing the behavior in a small test case. Add simple print statements to observe loop variables and progress. Insert a counter and log its value each iteration to detect stagnation. Use a development timeout to stop the run after a defined period. Test with decreased input sizes to confirm termination conditions. These steps let you quickly identify why a loop never exits. Review loop condition logic to ensure it progresses toward an exit each iteration. Prefer for loops with finite iterables when possible to guarantee termination. Add an explicit break when a success or terminal case occurs inside loops. Implement a max iterations limit like max iterations equals 100,000 as a safety net. Use time, monotonic with a start timestamp to abort after 0 seconds. Consider asynchronous cancellation or signal handlers for long-running tasks. After fixes, rerun tests and measure progress to confirm the loop ends. Prevent infinite loops by writing unit tests that assert termination on representative inputs. Add loop invariants or assertions inside loops to verify progress each iteration. Use PDB, breakpoint, or an IDE debugger to step through loop iterations interactively. Configure structured logging with levels and timestamps to inspect long runs. Employ watchdog timers, multiprocessing with join timeouts, or asyncio timeouts as needed. Enforce code reviews and pair programming to catch potential non-terminating logic. Regularly refactor loops into clear functions with single responsibilities to avoid complexity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.